Well, a good Friday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a good Friday, and I hope everybody's looking forward to the weekend. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it's warming up. We're in the middle 70s right now. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, my name's Dan, and I'm a procrastinator. Give me a second, and we finna talk about it. Dan, what you talking about? Well, I'm here to tell you, by definition, a procrastinator is one that habitually puts things off. And you know what? I guess that makes me one. So this morning, about 0600 hours, I got out here and I dealt with this. About 3 or 4 hours later, this is what I ended up with. 2 cleaned up 16-foot raised beds. No-till, regular raised bed. Now what I'm gonna say is every year I struggle with getting these 2 raised beds cleaned up, and I put it off. What I thought I was gonna do in years past was towards the fall time, I was gonna put these beds to sleep and just cover crop them. Come springtime, I just get out here, till it up, and we'll be good to go. Now I'm here to tell you, these 2 raised beds were a mess, and that is all my fault because I didn't get out here and weed and do what I'm supposed to do, that I have done in the past. It's just, Lord of mercy, I got so much stuff going on, and actually I wasn't planning on utilizing these raised beds this year, but I got a hankering to plant some pole beans because I love pole beans. May get some pole beans out on the trellis section of this raised bed, and on this side I may put some maters out here, or I may put some more peppers out here. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to think on that. What I have noticed is the soil level in these raised beds is starting to decrease a little bit, not a lot. These raised beds have been sitting here probably about 15, 16 years, and I have amended these raised beds on a regular basis. So I know the soil's good, but it looks like it's dropping just a little bit. You can tell over there on that edge right there. But it's no big deal. I can still get out here and plant. I don't think I'm gonna fertilize this bed this year. I may just run with some fertilizer with whatever it is that I'm planting. We'll deal with that come time. But the raised beds are finally cleaned, Lord of mercy. So I guess the moral of today's video is don't be a procrastinator. I do know from years back that, and I have done this, I got out here and I worked these raised beds dang near every day. Weeded them out, kept everything looking good. But as time went on, it's rough dealing with raised beds this big by yourself. So it happens. But we'll see what happens this weekend. It's mighty windy right now. The rain has ended for just a little bit. According to the weather station that I watch, it's supposed to pick up a little bit of rain next week, so we should get about maybe 4 or 5 days of some dry weather. The grass is growing like crazy out here. It grows so fast when it rains, you can like hear it growing. Well, there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Lord of mercy, a lesson about procrastination, and I am one. I'm here to tell you. Got a few things to do out here today. Gonna try to get some of this grass cut. Got to keep it cut low because you let it go a couple of 3 days and get out of hand, sure enough. So again, I hope everybody is having a good Friday, and I hope everybody stays safe this weekend amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. I'm not doing stuff I'm supposed to be doing. With that being said, you know it's coming down reference show enough. I always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on, be you. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.